Hello, I'm Dr. Deepa Maka, double board certified physician at CosMedic LaserMD here in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Hey, I sweat through my dress shirts before my first morning meeting, even in the dead of a Michigan winter, and it's genuinely humiliating. My doctor mentioned Botox for underarm sweating, but my insurance denied it as cosmetic. Does the Botox that you inject for hyperhidrosis actually shut the sweating down completely? How long does one round last, and is it the very same product you use on faces? I want you to know that what you are describing is a real medical condition, and it's called hyperhidrosis, and it has nothing to do with your willpower or your deodorant. When I treat underarm sweating, I use the exact same purified product I use on the face. The only difference is where it goes and why, and the dilution. I place a grid of tiny injections just under the skin of each underarm or armpit. Botox blocks the nerve signal that tells your sweat glands to switch on. Those glands simply go quiet. Most of my patients stop sweating in that area within 4 to 7 days, and one round here lasts far longer than facial Botox does. I usually see results hold for 6 to 7 months, sometimes closer to a year. And that's because your underarms are not in constant motion the way your forehead is. Your insurance calling this cosmetic is frustrating, and I hear it constantly. Medically, this is anything but cosmetic. We can document the severity to support an appeal if you want to fight that. I assess how widespread your sweating is before we begin, because the dose for underarms is much higher than for frown lines. We are covering a broad surface, so I map it out carefully. You will still sweat elsewhere, which is completely normal and healthy, but this is a game changer. Your body simply routes it differently in this area. Finally, I have treated teachers, surgeons, and people who shake hands all day for a living. For them, the relief is genuinely life-changing. No more soaked shirts before a meeting. No more planning an entire wardrobe around sweat marks.